Need to update your age or birthday on Instagram? Here's exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Center. This is where Instagram manages your personal info across all Meta platforms. Next, tap Personal Details. Then Birthday. Here you'll see your current birth date. Tap Edit, choose the correct date, and hit Save. Keep in mind, if you change your age too often, Instagram might temporarily lock further edits. Also, if your new age is under 13, your account may be restricted or disabled. So be careful. That's it. Your age is now updated across Instagram and connected accounts like Facebook. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and drop a comment if you've got questions.